Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I am excited. RETEKESS just sent me this multiplayer. Oh my gosh, it's got so many functions. Now, let me give you a little history. 5 years ago, they sent me the predecessor, which was the TR621. This is the successor, which is the TR621P. And I'm going to go over the changes, and then I'm going to try to show you some of the features. It has so many features, I know I'm going to get lost. So bear with me. Right now, it's on sale. There's three colors. There's blue. This is the blue. It's $65. There's a black, which is $58. And then the one, like the one I reviewed 5 years ago, is white. The one I reviewed 5 years ago was white. Let me just quickly tell you some of the upgrades. Number one, they used to have this remote, and it only had 8 keys on it. This remote has 24 keys / functions. Wow, what a change. And I'll be going over those soon. They added Bluetooth, and it will receive and send on Bluetooth. Wow. Now, the screen now, it used to only show you the track. And now it shows you the tracks, the mode, whether it's in wireless and repeat, it's in repeat mode. Now, as before, the display is kind of small, and it's not going to show up very well on my camera. I will show you in the manual all the things that will show up on that display. And then here, whoops, I kicked the camera. Here is all the functions on the remote. I'm going to go through those real quickly. You got power on and off. You got USB button select, CD select, lossless sound effects. I'll be going over the sound effects. Popular sound effects. Bass enhancement, and I mean really enhancement. Rock sound effects. Wireless transmit over Bluetooth, so you can transmit it to like headphones. Volume increase and decrease. Previous song, backwards and forwards. Volume reduction button. Repeat button. Numeric keypad, so you can direct select a track, for instance. TF card button to select the TF card. Mute button. Boy, it goes on and on and on. Jazz sound effects, classical sound effects, stop button, play pause button, next song fast forward button, random play button, and program button. So you can program what order you want the tracks to play. Wow. I'm not going to be able to go over all those functions right now. Now, let me look at my notes again. The tape recorder, yeah, cassette tape. Remember these guys? I got a bunch of these. So this comes in handy because I can play it on this guy. CDs. And I've got a TF card, which goes right in. Can you get my fingernail in there? Yeah, this pops up, and then there's the port for the TF card and a port for USB, headphone jack, carrying handle, manual volume, AM and FM tuning on the side, there's so many buttons and everything. On the side is the mode select, off, radio, tape, or CD, USB, TF card, Bluetooth. Oh, and then on the other side is AM and FM select. Telescopic antenna. Whoop, I just hit the button. Stop. There. Thanks for the remote. Stop it. Two sources of power. One is AC, comes with an AC cord, built-in AC adapter, which I have it on right now. And let me check. Six UM1. I believe that's a D-cell batteries. So it's going to be heavy when you put those D-cell batteries in there. It's amazing. These are the controls here for the CD player. These are the controls here for the tape player. It's got so many functions. And again, look at this guy. You start up here, select CD, USB, TF card, or Bluetooth. Mute, there's a mute button. Whoops. Gotta get it in front of the camera would help. And then here's all the audio modes. This is where you've got thing transmitting in Bluetooth. Stop. Volume, track backwards and forwards, repeat, random, direct to select the track, program what series, in what order to play the tracks. That is awesome. Look at that. Uses two AAA batteries, I believe. Yeah. So let's just try a couple of functions here. I've got the TF card selected. So we can go back to play. That's from the free YouTube library. Plenty of sound, plenty of audio, plenty of volume. Get your act together, Tom. We can change the music type. Now listen to bass. Jazz. Classical. Rock. Back to bass. That is awesome. And then we can, which I'm not going to do right now, but we could push right here. There's a little spot here where you push and it opens that. Put your CD in there and then play your CD. Use the remote, control it, or use these keys here to control the CD. Put a cassette in here. There's a little place right here you push. I say there's a little place right here you push, or you can hit eject and it works a lot better. There's where your cassette goes. And it does mention in that one diagram, there is supposedly a mic input, and it points to right here. But I don't see any mic, and there's no instructions how to use the mic. So not too sure about that. I'll have to ask them what that's about. And you can record on tape from the tuner, from a CD, and from a TF card, and from a wireless input. There's so many features. Like I say, I won't be able to go into any detail about any of them. Otherwise, it would take a couple of hours. And we just try the tuner. So I have to go over here and select radio. Yep, radio. And it's AM and FM. And I think I have it muted. Nope, I'm doing something wrong here. What am I doing wrong? Sorry. Sorry for the confusion. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. I got it muted still? It looks, oh, it's in standby for some reason. There we go. Somehow we went to standby. Okay, now it's, oh, let's see. We're in AM, let's go to FM. And if we can't play music. No, we can't play music. No! Gee whiz, don't get me in trouble. Let me let me tune real quick and adjust the volume. Oh, what am I doing here? Oh, if I push down, that's on off also. Oh boy. Okay, the tuning is really touchy. I mean, really touchy. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. There we go.
There's no doubt.
I didn't have the button in the right position.
Fishing, in my opinion, was off last year anyway. We don't need that. Yeah, we don't need
very clear audio. This is amazing. All the things this thing can do. Anyway, I want to thank the people at RETEKESS for sending me this. Again, the model is the latest model. Just came on the Amazon store. It's a TR621P with all those functions. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I wish you would. Bye-bye.